And welcome to the channel. Today I'm going to show you how you can make your Samsung Galaxy A54 louder. So at the start, open the Play Store, then look for the volume booster app, how you can see, and choose one of them. I was using this one, so we have to open it. Decide that you want to get notification, I don't need to, and click no thank you 3 times. Close this window, click OK, and now the tool is active. If you want to use the booster power, just use that little slider for it to increase or decrease the volume power. If you go back, the tool is still active. If you want to turn off this tool from the background apps, open the all apps and tap on this one. Now choose the subservice and OK. And that's it. Thanks for watching, leave us a subscribe or a comment, and goodbye.